Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe. The button is somewhere over here. Today I'm going to be doing a hair and makeup video. I'm going to be giving you guys a bombshell type of look, like a natural bombshell. Like, you know, like it's giving bombshell like in real life. Okay, no filters, baby. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys are liking this video and subscribing and keep watching. Hello guys, so we're gonna get started with this video. I'm really excited because I'm gonna be doing my hair and makeup for you guys today. So I'm gonna be doing like a bombshell kind of look. I feel like I'm going out tonight and I want to do like something in my comfort zone, but I also want to like bring it up a notch. So this won't necessarily be my go-to look. It's gonna be like a little we're gonna be giving bombshell. Okay, today I'm gonna be working with Rpgshow Lifestyle. I have talked about them before. They're basically a extension of the Rpgshow brand, and they offer, you know, more natural styles, more toned down styles, reserved and more affordable wigs. So they're still great quality, but you know, they just cater to the everyday girls. So this is actually really pretty. It's like the color is only in the front, so it's only gonna frame your face. You don't have color all around. So for those of you guys who may be scared to do like highlights throughout the hair, or you don't want color at the ends, this is perfect. This color is literally just going to frame my face, which I like because I keep trying to get into the like jet blacks and like, you know, those kind of colors, and I just don't feel like that girl with that in my head. Like, I always feel like I need some kind of color, but I don't always want a full head of color or highlights or anything like that. So I think this is gonna be perfect. So I'm thinking a middle part with like loose curls. I don't want them too tight because the length, I believe, I'm gonna leave all the information below. Oh, I can look right here. I believe it's a 16 inch. If I'm right, you guys, I'm amazing. It is a 16 inch. So I have a little cheat code right here. It is a 16 inch silky texture. It comes pre-colored and it has Swiss lace, and the lace is light brown, which I think works because I'm able to tint it if necessary. Sorry, I don't necessarily have to, but yeah, I can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. You guys know I don't really like talking during my installs. It just throws me off my A game. So if you guys do want a more in-depth type of video, make sure you guys check out my other videos. I have a bunch of dedicated hair videos, but I'm gonna be doing the same old my wig install with my spray, and I'm most likely gonna do like my signature curls. When we get there, we'll talk, but I'm gonna do the install real quick, so just sit back and enjoy. Yep, the part did it. That'll do it. Because I was like, okay, Tasha, you're looking a little crazy now. So I'm going to just flatten. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't want anything to drop. Oh my gosh. And I know I didn't say it because I was moving and shaking, but I was using this Andrew Fitzsimmons hairspray, which I am obsessed with. So I'm about to spray the top of my hair. It says hard, but it's not that hard, honestly. It's like a nice hold. Not this curling iron on my laptop. Okay. And I'm gonna just use that to just kind of flatten it out. It's crazy how like we want our hair to be flat, but like we're constantly adding volume. So I just want to let you guys know I am like a layering whore, okay? I did not layer anything. The hair came perfectly. It's bouncy. Like, this looks so pretty. This is definitely giving bombshell. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down one more time and put the silk scarf down to continue to lay it, and I will be back. But I'm gonna take this off now. Yeah, we're gonna need to add some powder so I don't have that line. Or not powder, I'm using my foundation brush to like blend that in seamlessly. So this is the hair, this is how it looks, okay? Super cute. I'm living. So I'm actually gonna curl the front again. Or actually no, I'm not. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I like this. And like the hair just has this like bounce to it and this density that I am living for. Like, and I love that the color is like right here, so it's like right in the front of my face, but it's not like overkill. As far as highlights, it is literally perfect. So yeah guys, this is the hair. It looks freaking stunning. It's so simple, but definitely makes a statement. Like, I am in love. I'm in love, love, love. I love this look. I do.